Understanding, adjust the springs, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across: adjust the springs. This phrase is not just about the literal springs in your mattress or car, but it's packed with meaning and usage in various contexts. Stick around to unlock the secrets behind this phrase and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. First off, let's break down the literal meaning of adjust the springs. Springs are flexible objects, usually made of metal, that can be compressed or stretched. They're found in many mechanical devices, including watches, cars, and mattresses. To adjust means to change something slightly to make it more suitable for a purpose. So, when we talk about adjusting the springs, we're literally talking about tweaking or fine-tuning these devices for optimal performance. Interestingly, adjust the springs can also be used figuratively to describe making minor adjustments or changes in various situations in life or work. This could be about tweaking a plan, fine-tuning a strategy, or even altering one's behavior slightly to achieve a desired outcome. It's about finding the right balance or making small changes that can have a big impact. Let's see how this phrase can be used in everyday English through some examples. In personal development, this year, I'm looking to adjust the springs in my daily routine to be more productive. In business, our sales strategy isn't working. It's time to adjust the springs and try a new approach. In relationships, we've been arguing a lot lately. Maybe we need to adjust the springs in how we communicate with each other. Understanding and using phrases like adjust the springs can enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more precisely. It shows a deeper understanding of the language and allows you to communicate more effectively, especially in situations that require a nuanced expression of making adjustments or changes. We hope this exploration of adjust the springs has added a new phrase to your English toolkit. Whether you're tweaking the springs in your personal life, your studies, or your work, remember that small adjustments can lead to significant improvements. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.